Hey, today I'm going to show you how to export audio only from your CapCut project. Whether you just record a voiceover, want to extract background music, or need audio for another project, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your project is fully completed or at least contains the audio you want to export. Your project includes both video and audio. You can still export only the audio. Now, click on the blue Export button. A new menu will pop up with your export options. Scroll down to the bottom of the Export Settings menu. You'll see a small checkbox labeled Audio. Click on that checkbox. Uncheck the Export Video box. Now, only the audio file will be exported. Once everything is set, click the blue Export button. CapCut will start processing the file. Your audio file will be saved to your selected folder. Boom! You now have a high-quality audio-only file ready to use. That's it. Now you know how to export audio only from CapCut. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Check out the links in the description for more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. End transmission.